For some, it's like a flower. Like a bud waiting to break out and be whole. Something so beautiful. Something to be celebrated. A gift. But it wasn't like that. With this flower I should be woman, but with it I felt like I wasn't human, yet so condemningly human at the same time. Accustomed to a physical, to a mental nausea. Selfish. It was a mound of sand. It was a heavy ball of clay. This is alien. Selfish. What is inside me? It is simultaneously there and not there. Now pouring itself out, reminding me of its existence. The reminder is in your blood, in your changed body. There's nothing inside me. Just take the pills and lie back. Don't think about it. Wait till the procedure's done. Don't think about it.